Have you ever found yourself scrolling endlessly through social media, only to look up and realize hours have passed? You're not alone. We've all been there. But what if I told you that taking just 1 month off could completely change your life? Today, we're diving deep into the incredible benefits of a 30-day social media detox. Let's be real, the constant stream of updates, perfectly curated photos, and breaking news can be overwhelming. It creates this low-level hum of anxiety we don't even notice until it's gone. The first thing you'll probably experience during a detox is a huge sense of mental clarity. Without the digital noise, your brain finally has room to breathe. You'll find your thoughts are clearer, your focus is sharper, and that feeling of being constantly on just melts away. Remember hobbies. You know, those things you used to love doing before your phone became an extension of your hand. A social media break is the perfect opportunity to rediscover them. Whether it's picking up a guitar, reading a book, going for a hike, or learning to bake, you'll suddenly have so much more free time. It's not just about filling the void. It's about reconnecting with the parts of yourself that bring you genuine joy and fulfillment. One of the biggest culprits of social media is the comparison trap. We see highlight reels of everyone else's lives and start feeling like our own is good enough. Taking a step back allows you to break that cycle. You start focusing on your own journey, your own progress, and your own happiness. Your self-esteem gets a major boost because you're no longer measuring your worth against an impossible, filtered standard. You get to define what success and happiness look like for you. And let's talk about sleep. How many of us scroll in bed until our eyes burn? That blue light from our screens messes with our sleep hormones, making it harder to fall asleep and reducing sleep quality. Ditching social media, especially before bed, can dramatically improve your sleep. Imagine waking up feeling truly rested and energized, ready to take on the day. It's a game changer. Beyond personal benefits, your real-world relationships will flourish. Instead of sending a quick like or comment, you'll be more inclined to call a friend, meet for coffee, or just be fully present with the people you're with. You'll find your connections become deeper and more meaningful when they're not filtered through a screen. You start having real conversations and creating real memories. So, how do you even start? It's simpler than you think. First, delete the apps from your phone. This is the most crucial step. Out of sight, out of mind. Next, tell your friends and family you're taking a break so they know the best way to reach you. Find replacement activities to fill the time you'd normally spend scrolling. Keep a journal to track how you're feeling, the challenges, the breakthroughs, all of it. The first few days might feel strange, even a little bit lonely. You might experience a bit of FOMO, the fear of missing out, but push through it. After about a week, you'll notice a shift. You'll feel calmer, more present, and more in control of your time and attention. By the end of the 30 days, you might not even want to go back. Or, if you do, you'll approach social media with a completely new perspective as a tool, not a time waster. A 30-day social media detox isn't about rejecting technology forever. It's about resetting your relationship with it. It's about reclaiming your time, your focus, and your mental well-being. It's an investment in yourself that pays off in ways you can't even imagine. Are you up for the challenge? If you've ever done a digital detox, share your experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear how it went for you. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on living a more intentional life. See you in the next one.